Announced in January but demoed at last week's Ohio Power Tool Open House, the 20-volt MAX Copper Swage Tool Kit. Perfect for electrical contractors, plumbers, and maintenance technicians, this cordless swage tool simplifies your copper cable and wire termination tasks, as well as offers a powerful, consistent crimping in a compact and portable design. Say goodbye to manual crimping tools and boost your job site with this versatile time-saving solution. Now let's see this baby in action.
All right, so today we have our 20-volt MAX Copper Swage Tool for 1/4 inch to 1.5" soft copper expansion. Real easy to operate. We have different types of dies that will come with it for expansion based upon the size of the copper. Based upon your copper size, which this is 3/8, you're first going to initiate the first press, let it click at approximately 3 times. You're going to change it to setting number 2. Switch it one more time to increase that expansion, roughly 3 times. Once you've completed, be able to solder and complete the process. Comes as a kitted tool with 6 of the dies, approximately $549 MSRP, looking at the June timeframe for launch.
The Swage Toolkit will be available at Ohio Power Tools, so keep an eye out on our socials and website for more information.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.